Good God, it done got hot. Oh, Lord, have mercy. What's up, y'all? It's your girl Angel and welcome back to my channel, Imperfect Angel, where we're young Christian lit, period. So, and welcome to a weekly vlog. Even though I'm starting off kind of late, today is Tuesday. I was intending on starting it right after I finished my last video, my last episode of Imperfect Thoughts, which if you haven't watched that, click off of this and go watch it and come back. But I forgot. And then I was supposed to start it yesterday because I was out and about with my cousin, my mom, my brother, and stuff like that. We went to eat and things like that. I brought my bless me. I brought my camera, but I didn't have my SD card in there, and I didn't have any extra SD cards on me. So yeah, I didn't start it yesterday. So today I was like, let me start it, because we finna actually get on the road right now to head to Dallas to pick up one of our trucks. We're getting another truck. So how does it feel outside? We're going to pick up one of our trucks in Dallas. So yeah, that's what me and my mom about to do. I'm gonna have to drive back. It's one of the big boys. I'm just like, oh God, Jesus be with me, because I was having a hard time driving our smaller truck. These big trucks, yeah. So y'all pray for me. But yeah, that's what we're about to do right now. I need to put my camera on the charger before we leave. Get back in that house. Hey, get back. Get. She's terrible. So yeah, I'll check up with y'all whenever we get on the road, or whenever we actually get to Dallas. Excuse me. So TTYL.
Your ass sweating like a dog. Why you put me on this? You record? Is this thing on? Hello, this is the B Share Show in the Angel House, and we here clearly.
It's my cousin slash
The
brother.
real deal Holyfield.
Yeah,
Big broski. And y'all better not play. Y'all know the rest.
He is dumb.
Huh?
He wants to get out here real quick and say something. But like I told y'all previously, I'll get back with y'all in a little bit. Good God, it done got hot. Oh, Lord, have mercy. Y'all, not me having to drive this big truck. Oh, I'm scared. Bro, I'm scared. Y'all, this truck is too big. I didn't even want to drive our small truck. Oh my gosh. It's so much bigger. I don't know if y'all can see, but this one is so much bigger. Oh, y'all, let me get my mom right so I can make it back to Hey y'all, where's the light? Where's the sun? It's cloudy. Hey y'all, so it's the next day. I know I'm looking like yesterday, but it's a different graphics here, okay? So me and my granny and this other truck, I had to go put get the decal put on it. Show y'all. Had to get the decal put on it on this one. Probably should tie that up. Yeah, I'm getting things put on it. My name, the name and DOT and MC number and everything. Getting it ready for the road. It should be ready tomorrow, actually. I have to order 2 parts, but they won't be until Friday, but that won't stop us from making money. But I do need to order them. Well, I have ordered them already, actually. Just wait for them to come in. What do y'all think? Do y'all think I should paint all of my trucks pink? My vlog. Say hey to my vlog.
Who?
My vlog, YouTube.
Oh, hello. How are you?
Hello. So y'all think, comment below, should I paint all of my trucks pink so that y'all know that it's the perfect trucking? Yes or no, Granny?
What?
Paint all my trucks pink. That'd be cute, wouldn't it? So they'll know, oh, that's a perfect trucking over there, pink trucks. Yeah. One of my friends said his cousin can do it for me in Dallas, so I'll see how much he charged a young boss. Just kidding. But yeah, it's hot out here. But we're getting this truck. This is YouTube. My vlog.
You're not close to me.
What you?
I'm not
No hot. But yesterday, I didn't catch up with y'all yesterday because I was so tired. Like, that was the longest, bounciest drive of my life. But I mean, your girl got the truck here, okay? Period. But once we got home, we had to take the old decal off of the old the previous owner's company. I had to take that off, and then I'm having mine installed now. But once I got home, after we did that, I KO'd. I got in the shower and talked to my best friend for a little bit, and then KO'd. But yeah, y'all, my birthday is literally in 3 days, and I have no plans. This is my birthday gift to myself, getting all my trucks together and on the road, making me some money, okay? Best birthday gift ever. So yeah, after this we're gonna go, I forgot, we're gonna go to the why are you putting on makeup?
My face is so old.
Girl, after this while we already out, we're gonna go by the cat scale, get this truck weighed so I could put that. I gotta go we could do that in a regular car though. Go by Target or Walmart to get it, because I gotta make a second compliance binder, DOT compliance binder for this. So I gotta put all the information that is in that other binder. Yeah, I'm gonna take this one back. Well, no, first we're gonna go get it weighed, then I'm gonna go park it, because the weigh, you gotta have that in your compliance binder so they'll know how much you can actually carry in these trucks. We're gonna go get it weighed, and then we're gonna park it, and then we're gonna get into the cars, and then I gotta go to Walmart or Target. Probably Walmart. Walmart's closer. To get a binder to put all this paperwork in, so Eric can have it in this truck too. But yeah, y'all, we just got some running around to do. We're trying to get this truck. The other one is already. We're trying to get this. The ELD should be in for this truck by Friday. So yeah, y'all, it's hot, it's humid, it's been raining, it's humid. I probably got terrible lighting.
You got to wait till that comes.
Wait till what come? The ELD? I want to, because then I'm gonna have to make another trip down to Houston. Probably have to close this door. You can get out, it's hot. Oh. I'll catch up with y'all in a little bit. Okay. Okay. Okay, y'all. So now I'm at the scales with all these big trucks. I have to go pay for this freaking weight thing. Make sure I got my card, because I have forgot my card the last time. And I had to use Apple Pay, but I don't have my Apple Pay set up. Okay, I got it. So yeah. Oh, he got the racist flag on his thing. He got that racist flag on him. You know when they say them truckers be them rednecks be racist. Hi, how are you? Good. I had to weigh in.
What's the company?
I'm Imperfect Trucking LLC.
Imperfect
Trucking LLC.
trailer number?
002.
Alright, $13.
Alrighty. Alrighty, thank you. You too. Easy as pie. This is what this is. See what I'm doing? Why is my thing doing that? Okay. So this is what the cat, I'll show y'all what the cat scale thing looks like when I get in the truck. Looks like this. This basically tells you, Jesus Christ, This basically tells you like how much you can carry. So like if a DOT officer were to pull you over or something like that, you have the proof that you're able to carry what you're carrying in the back of your truck or your trailer, whatever you want to call it. I hope y'all can hear me, all these loud trucks. Yeah. $13 for your first weigh-in, and I believe everyone after that is like $6 or something. So yeah. Y'all still on the phone?
Yeah, it's better go ahead, cause you ain't. I was looking to see if it had one of them things you can plug up. I got my deal, but I don't think I got mine. I don't know if it's got, what you call this thing right here, Angel? What?
No, I gotta get one.
I'm talking about not this to go on the lighter. Like Brita got in her car, you know, like.
The USB, no, we don't got that. This truck not that new. The USB thing. You gotta get the cigarette lighter thing.
Oh, you got to get the one with the double.
Yeah, I got like 3 of them in my car. I just hadn't got it out.
Are they good ones?
Yeah, they good ones. I use them.
I got the ones I bought cheap when they didn't even charge my stuff. Yeah, she better look at that truck there. That's a long.
Like, do you really think I would never buy that? I would never. I mean, I would never
look at that one.
drive that.
You know how to drive it? Wait a minute, it's
You
coming.
got it too far.
Wait a minute, there, can you see it now?
Yeah, I can see it.
I had passed some big trucks on the way from Dallas, and it was a young girl in one of them big old 18-wheelers like that.
Yeah, it be young people driving too. Yeah, they be
Ooh, my camera gonna fall.
Where your camera? I always trying to camera everything.
Camera everything.
I mean, vlog everything. It could be long trucks. It feel like I'm on a trip. It feel like I'm on I don't know what I'm on.
I gotta get you a binder together for this one, Eric.
Huh?
It look open. It look real empty and open.
What?
Where y'all at? It look real empty and open around there.
Yeah, we like on the outskirts.
We're on the outskirts like Bruce, or General Bruce.
What interstate run through Temple?
I-35.
Oh, okay.
Oh man, I want some barbecue. I need some money.
I'm coming in here barbecue, so you can say, so I know how to barbecue.
Oh, you do? Well,
Yeah, I know how to barbecue.
I got some meat. I'm gonna get you. I got some
Put
ribs.
the camera on you.
I got some ribs. I will let them see what we doing.
You don't want to see no bro.
I got some ribs. I got some sauces. I got some chicken wings. I need to empty my deep freeze anyway. And I got I need a real big barbecue pit. I got 2 barbecue pits. I don't have
It's rain. Look at it. It's raining.
I got I don't know, I have to take you a picture. It's not no big. But what kind of pit I got, Angel?
What kind of what?
Barbecue pit.
Oh, I don't know.
I got one that you can use it with the tank. You can use it. Or you can put wood in and use this with burn. I do too. I don't fool with it. It's been the rain.
So we finished the weigh-in. Now we're actually just about to go run some errands. We gotta get the registration and stuff taken care of for this truck. Wait, what is this we finna go do? Something with the titles. Get the titles switched over? Or something with some titles and registrations to get everything taken care of. And then I have to oh, I told y'all earlier that I had to go and get a binder from Walmart to make the compliance binder for this truck. So yeah, that's what we're about to go do now. I got a headache. I guess this vlog has turned into a week in the life of a trucking business owner, I guess. / birthday vlog. But I don't have anything planned for my birthday, so probably won't be vlogging too much about that. But yeah, I'll catch up with you in a little bit. Just a second. Hey y'all, so we had to come to the grocery store and a grocery shop a little bit to go down there. Yeah, so I'm about to grocery shop. It's a little bit later. I have a headache. Y'all, I cooked some cabbage. It was so good. I forgot. I should have been vlogging. I forgot. But it's okay. So yeah, we're about to just grocery shop. My camera battery is about to die though. So yeah. You think you could just come in my room and open my door? I have my door closed for a reason. Okay? I have my door closed for a reason. Y'all ain't got no sheets on my bed because I'm washing. So mind your business. But it's the next day. I've been up for a while. What's today? I've been up for a while actually. I just wake up, gotta get straight to business, so I haven't had a chance to catch up with you guys. But yeah, what's today? Today is Thursday, the 25th. So I've been up for a while. My desk is a mess. Just ignore everything, okay? Just stay right here. We supposed to be right here. You're not supposed to be over there. Not supposed to be on my bed. Worried about that. Let's just stay focused. So I've actually y'all, I'm telling you, these glasses got me in a freaking chokehold. I feel like I can't even function without them at this point. And they're not reading glasses. If you know, you know what they're used for, because I told y'all when I first got them. But y'all, I was going to my life is just so hectic right now, like I'm trying to get this new truck and going, and my birthday's in 2 days. Well, honestly, I've accepted the fact that I'm just not gonna do anything for my birthday. Like, I've accepted it. It's fine. Like, my birthday gift to myself was getting this other truck, this new truck, whatever. So yeah, that's my birthday gift. However, today's Thursday. Either today or tomorrow, I do want to at least go get like a pedicure because my feet are just unladylike right now. So I do want to go get a pedicure. Maybe my nails are already done. I don't feel like getting them redone. It's too late for me to order any hair from my hair vendor. So I wanted something else done to my hair, but I don't know. I might just re-dye that hair, my long hair, black, and then go just find like a closure maybe from one of these hair stores just for temporary, because that closure is jacked. So I might go do that and then just take that closure off, put a new closure on, dye it all jet black, and make it work that way. Actually, I think I might do that. Yeah, let me put that as a reminder. Set a reminder for me to go find a closure in Colleen for my 24-inch wig. Thanks. Yeah. So I've actually been up this morning. I've been getting together. I feel like y'all are like, maybe I should put y'all right here. Yeah. I've been doing this morning. I had to get another DOT compliance binder ready for this truck. You have to put these in every single one of your trucks. Well, yeah, I mean, I don't know if you actually have to, but it's highly recommended that you have all of your documentation. All you basically have to have is like your MC authority, your COI, which is certificate of insurance.
Yeah, I'll see something real quick. I just want to see how much percentage I got.
Your UCR, your CAT scale. I don't think you actually need that. Hook my stuff back up. How you found it? Your certificate of filing from the Secretary of State. You can put your ID card in there if you want to, but you got your COI, which is your insurance, proof of insurance. Yeah. Oh, and your driver's medical card. I think in my other ones I have my BOC3, but I don't think you really need that. Yeah. For those who are interested, I'll put the checklist in the description box for you all. But yeah, I was getting this together. I need to go put it in the truck so I don't forget. Oh, and your truck registration. But I have to go make a copy of my truck registration. Make sure you have your truck registration in the truck at all times. I've seen some people put like your EOD proof like on your truck, or you could just put it in the binder as well, like proof that you use an EOD, which is an electronic logging device for your truck, which basically just logs how long your driver drives and stuff to make sure he's in compliance, because I believe a driver can only drive like 14 hours or something a day. I think it's either 12 or 14 hours. One of the two. So yeah, we actually about to head back to Dallas, y'all, because I told y'all yesterday, the previous owner of the truck forgot to sign the back of the title. So we gotta go do that, get the registration, because the tags are out on this truck, so we have to do that. So yeah, we're about to head to Dallas. Probably gonna stop by Starbucks first because I need it. I need it. Y'all, somebody please tell me no, but I might low-key already have it by the time this... Well, no, I probably won't buy it that soon. I'm still gonna obsess over YouTube videos about it. The new Sony ZV-E10 vlogging camera. Y'all, like, the only reason I'm even really entertaining it is because, like, I was gonna wait to get the Sony a7 IV, whatever it is, but that camera is like $3,000-$4,000, not including like the lenses and things like that. So I'm just like, oh, y'all know I'm cheap. Y'all know I'm cheap. Oh, that's gonna be about 5-6 bands for a camera. No, not right now, at least. Probably when I move to Houston, maybe. I don't know, it depends, because they have this camera now. Sony came out with this camera that's like the ZV-1 and the a7 IV combined. So, who is this? Hello? When you hear a little bloop, you know if somebody ain't got no business calling you. Ugh. What was I saying? Oh yeah, so I'm gonna continue to do some research, because this camera's only like $800, I think. I was just looking it up on Best Buy. Hold on. Oh. I was just looking it up on Best Buy. Yep. Let me see how much it is. Yeah, it's $7.99. I think that's what I paid for this phone that I mean this camera that I got now. $7.99, but I think it's actually more with the with the tripod, which obviously it needs its own tripod. So yeah, with the tripod it is $905. Either way go, that beats $5,000 any day. And so they were saying like it's really good in the videos I've watched thus far. It's like, okay. And yeah, you could change the lenses because it's basically the Sony ZV-1 except you could change the lenses, which, you know, that's the best part, because then, you know, you can do what you need to do. Because with this, this is all it's ever gonna be. This is all it's ever gonna be. And it has a slow-mo feature on it. Ugh. Baby, like, let me stop talking about it because I will go get it right now. Like, let me stop talking about it. Handle my business first. And that might just be my birthday gift to myself. An additional birthday gift, you know? So yeah, I'm about to my allergies, y'all. I could tell the seasons are changing. Or about to change because ooh, my throat, my nose is so raw from me just like it hurts to even touch it like that. So yeah, at this point I'm just rambling. So I'll see y'all whenever we head to Dallas. Well, actually, I ain't gonna lie to y'all like that because I'm not finna vlog in the car. I don't know. I'm sleepy, to be honest with you. I still got so much to do. This truck before I can go give it to my driver. Well, not really. I have to get a new grill for this truck, so it said that it's supposed to be here tomorrow, so I might just wait to make the swap tomorrow. Hopefully my grill and my ELD come in at the same time or on the same day tomorrow, so I can get that done. Please God, I really want it to come in today or tomorrow so that I can get it installed and I can take my birthday picture with my new truck, or with both of my trucks. That'll be my birthday picture because I don't have anything to dress up to take a picture. Hair not done, like nothing's done for me to dress up and take a picture anywhere. Like I don't have an outfit, my hair's not done. It's just no. So I might as well just take a casual picture with my trucks and make some type of caption to excuse me for not actually dressing up and celebrating my birthday how I usually would. You know? I don't think I took a picture last year. I just went to Dallas last year with my best friend. My girl best friend. My boy best friend didn't come celebrate my birthday with me last year. But yeah, I'll catch up with y'all in a little bit because I've been talking for 12 minutes. All right. Annoying. Another thing, gotta keep the cocoa butter. Gotta keep the cocoa butter. Another thing I wanted to ask you guys, are you guys, because people ask me like to do like a business course or ebook or something, how you guys feel about that? I mean, I was going to just start like how I am in this vlog, like just kind of incorporate it in my vlogs and stuff like that, but people really want like, or they've been asking for like courses and like classes and stuff like that. I'm just like, from me, like Jesus, I don't know. So how y'all feel about that? Do y'all just want, because I do understand, because like everything that I say is like easily Googleable, YouTubeable. Like, you know, you could figure it out on your own. But I understand, you know, some people pay for convenience and to just have everything laid out, you know, step by step for them. So yeah, do y'all need help with like setting up your LLC, or is it like a business specific information? I don't know. Y'all just let me know how y'all feel about, you know, courses and things like that. Would that benefit you guys to be able to just have everything laid out for you step by step on how you can establish a business and things like that? Do y'all want trucking stuff, or that's the main question. Do y'all want trucking specific, or do y'all want just overall like general business information on like how to, you know, establish an LLC or whatever the case may be and stuff like that? Because, you know, I've had multiple people ask me that, friends and strangers, which of course my friends, you know, I help my friends out as much as I can, and family, you know, which y'all are my friends too, you know, like y'all are my friends and family too, don't get me wrong, but you know, business is business at the end of the day. So because if it was up to me, I'd give it all, I'd give it all up for free, you know. But everybody be on me like the game is to be sold, not told. I'm just like, what if people can't afford it, bro? That's the thing I be like thinking about. Like, some people just literally can't afford it. Like, we're in a recession, we just came out of a pandemic. Like, some people just can't afford it to pay, you know, $600-700 for courses. And like, cause me, I had to invest into, you know, knowledge and mentorship and stuff like that with business, because I don't have many people in my family, if any, that are like successful business owners and entrepreneurs and stuff like that. So I had to, you know, outsource and pay, you know, pay to play. But I understand that everybody, you know, everybody ain't got it. So if I do, it'll be very affordable. Like, if I do start to sell courses or classes, whatever you want to call it, ebook, whatever you want to call it, it will be very affordable. It'll be very affordable. You feel me? So yeah, I just want to, y'all let me know. Y'all comment below or DM me on Instagram on how y'all feel about that. How y'all feel about that, because yeah. I'll talk to y'all in a little bit.
We stayed up there last night. She should have got some sleep.
So y'all, it's like, I don't know how many days later. When was the last time I talked to y'all? I can't remember the last time I talked to him. But it's my birthday. And we about to go eat us some seafood. I had a taste for some seafood, so.
Yeah, I gotta do it today.
My brother, he never wants to be on my channel, but I guess he decided to get on. People think he looking good. Somebody else's birthday in there. So yeah, we're gonna go eat. It ain't gonna go down. Somebody else's birthday in there.
Give me some too, huh?
No.
Yeah?
Oh, look at my cake.
Are you gonna cut it here?
It is pretty.
Strawberry, what you like?
Yes, I love strawberry.
I'm really jealous.
As you
I ain't
should
get no cake
be.
at all.
Well, can I just say something? I'm still mad. Can I stay there? I got a couple more years. I'm still mad. We gonna leave that right there. Ain't that right there?
Just leave it right there.
I'm sorry, I got the good thing on, man. I'm like, Mom. That's sweet. Yeah, I ain't. Oh, you know I'm from Nickel, right?
What you say? You said something. You didn't say nothing.
This between me and her. We got that thing.
It's really good.
Thank you.
Don't put the cake around here. That's the best of cake up. Don't mess the cake up, Austin.
I'm not gonna mess the cake.
Anytime y'all want to get used to it, I work with Miss Side Right, so he do bakery.
Come on, baby. Come over here. That's my baby there. Yeah, everybody get a cake for her. Everybody get a cake for someone. I got you, baby. Girl, I had COVID, dude. I'll get you a cheesecake.
Thank you.
Over there, and that's yours. There you go, put that on there.
to-go drink? Can I get a to-go drink? Strawberry lemonade?
Yeah. Sweet.
Are we gonna get a ticket? Are we gonna get our ticket?